Imagine if every time you reached for your wallet at the doctor's office, you didn't have to worry about taxes making healthcare more expensive. Sounds wild, right? But that's exactly the idea Senator Josh Hawley tossed on the table at a recent Senate hearing. Just get rid of taxes on healthcare altogether. Let me break it down. Right now, a chunk of what you pay for health insurance, your deductibles, and even those out-of-pocket expenses at the pharmacy, yeah, a slice of that goes to Uncle Sam. And here's the kicker: big businesses, they get to deduct their healthcare costs from $1. But regular folks, families like yours and mine, we only get help if our medical bills are sky high, like over 7.5% of what we make in a year. That doesn't sound very fair, does it? So what's Hawley's pitch? Make all healthcare spending tax-free for everyone. Your premiums, your copays, that surprise bill when your kid gets stitches at 2 a.m. All tax-free. The logic is pretty simple. If taxes make stuff more expensive, then scrapping taxes on healthcare could mean lower costs for us, right now. During the hearing, a few experts weighed in. Mr. Lehman and Mr. Jacobs admitted they might not be tax code pros, but even they saw the appeal: fairness, simplicity, and real money back in people's pockets. Mr. Regden was all in, saying this would finally put families on a level playing field with corporate giants. No more government picking winners and losers. And the family angle? Mr. Steele, speaking as a dad, said lower taxes would be a game changer for households with kids. Mr. Briggs shared his own story, how a policy like this would have made medical bills way less painful. Across the whole panel, there was a buzz of agreement. Tax-free healthcare spending just makes sense, especially for American families feeling the squeeze. Senator Hawley wrapped up by driving home the point: taxes make healthcare more expensive. Remove the tax burden and you instantly make medical care more affordable for everyone. So here's the big takeaway. If you care about real solutions and holding government accountable, this is the kind of conversation that matters. Imagine a world where the tax code helps, not hurts, families trying to keep healthy. If you want to keep up with ideas that could actually change your life, hit that subscribe button. Let's make sure everyone's voice gets heard, because healthcare shouldn't break the bank.
I'll be brief. I know the panel's been here for a long time, and I'll give each of you some questions for the record. But I just want to ask you, Mr. White, nice to see you again. I think I saw you recently in another hearing, and you've gotten the question I'm about to give to the panel. But let me just ask you this. Here's an idea to lower healthcare costs. What do you think about exempting healthcare spending, consumer spending, from taxes? What if we just said no taxes on healthcare spending? Your premiums, tax-free. Your deductible, tax-free. Your out-of-pocket expenses, tax-free. We already have, as I think Mr. White pointed out in a hearing recently, we have in place an approximation of this. If you itemize as an individual, if you itemize your taxes and you spend more than 7.5% of your adjusted gross income on out-of-pocket expenses, you can deduct everything above 7.5% if you itemize. Of course, businesses, big corporations get to deduct all of their spending. So why not allow individuals to deduct everything, first dollar, make it tax-free? What do you think? Let's just go down the panel, and then I'll give you questions for the record. Go ahead, Mr. Lehman. Do you want to pay less? Do you want to pay less taxes on your health care? That's the question. Who's going to say yes to that? But maybe somebody will. Go ahead.
I'm afraid I do not have the expertise of the tax code in front of me to give you a really good answer on that. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Jacobs.
I'm going to follow this gentleman right here. I mean, I'm not that guy. I'm not the guy to ask this question to.
Mr. Regden.
Senator Hawley, I think it's a great idea, because then you're providing fairness to everyone. Whether I pay out of pocket or a premium or have some alternative, you're treating it the same. And government should be fair. It shouldn't pick winners and losers. Great idea.
Now, Mr. White, you said actually the other day, and I thought this was a great point, taxes make everything more expensive. So if you want to reduce cost, why not lower taxes, in this case on healthcare, which are exorbitant? But go ahead, I'll let you fill in or not.
My answer hasn't changed. Great idea. We should do it.
Great. Mr. Steele.
Senator, I have 4 kids, so I'm in favor of lower taxes.
Yeah, very good. Mr. Briggs.
Would have made a big difference in my life if that had happened.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you all for being here. Thank you for your testimony and your expertise. Like I said, I'll have some questions for the record, but I'm sure you're eager to catch your breath.